Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Spark Driver app not working. So guys, the first solution is go to your Play Store and search for Spark Driver. So guys, make sure you have the latest version, and then from here you will see if you have an update to the application. If it still doesn't work, guys, the second option is go to your settings, and then after that go to apps, and then from the apps search for the Spark Driver, and then after that, guys, go to the storage, and then from here make sure to clear the cache and make sure to clear data. So guys, if it still doesn't work, the third solution and the last solution is try reinstalling the application. So guys, first just uninstall the app, and after that try installing it again. Just go back to the Google Play Store, and then from there you will be able to fix the issue on this application. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.